Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to submit a super bill to United Healthcare. Let's get started. First, let's quickly explain what a super bill is. A super bill is a detailed receipt from your doctor or therapist. You will usually get it when the provider is out of network or you paid out of pocket. Let's submit the super bill to insurance to ask for reimbursement. Now let's go step by step. First, check a plan. First, open the app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Plan at the bottom of your screen. Not all plans cover out of network service. Next, review your super bill. Make sure it includes your full name, date of birth, date of service, provider's name and address, procedure code, amount paid. If anything is missing, ask your provider to fix it. Now get a claim form. Go to the United Healthcare website, log into your member account, look for form or submit a claim. Download the member claim form. Next, fill out the form, add your personal information, enter your member ID, list the service detail from the super bill, double check everything for accuracy. Now attach the super bill. This is very important. Do not submit the form without it. Next, submit the claim. You can usually submit it online to your United Healthcare account, by mail to the address on the claim of form, or through the mobile app if available. After submission, wait for processing. This can take a few weeks. You can track the claim online. And that's it. That's how to submit a super bill to United Healthcare. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.